the camera's dying, so I might have to start this again. But essentially, we are moving very soon, but we need to list the house and sell the house within less than a month because it's already been a couple days. So this whole weekend we are packing up the house, hence these boxes behind me that I took from my mother-in-law's house. Got like mattress covers, things like that, to pack up the house, make it presentable for showings and take pictures and list it. I dropped off the kids with my mother-in-law, so they're out of the house, but that's like a 2-hour drive, like 1 hour each way. So I have a bunch of things to do, but I thought I would start the we bought a house vlog today. And I'm going to keep documenting the journey. This will not come out until everything is finalized, until we're actually in the new home. So it's going to be a couple of months, maybe even 3 or 4 months. Sorry, my baby hairs are really bad and I don't know what to do about it. So let's acknowledge it and then move on. Wanted to sit down and kind of go through this process before I forget. We currently have the house that I live in on the market. Owning a big plot of land / farmland has been in like our 10-year plan, and we have just like passively been looking on the market for like the last couple of years, and something came up within our price range, very close to Travis's dad's house and his like cousins, and like we just have a lot of people who live in that area. The house itself is very cute. I originally wasn't sure if I would like it because it seemed too small, like the house in general from the pictures, but they like didn't show this entire like loft area that would literally be perfect for our 3 boys. There's like 3 little sections in like their own little loft area for them that we will do up, renovate and do up for them for like over the next year. And there's like a bedroom that's big enough for all of them to share in the main area, literally painted like green and has like floral wallpaper on it. It's very old school. The people who are selling it are like in their 80s and they've lived there for almost 50 years. So it's, if you can just kind of imagine it, definitely a lot we can do with it. We're not probably going to do much to it like at the get-go, maybe like paint, take off the wallpaper. But anyways, I'm really excited about it. Like our move-in date would be August, and you know what, pretty like immediately I knew that it was going to be our property. We had seen a couple this past year that I was like just like immediately felt uncomfortable in, especially in like the house. This one just felt right. Like, I don't know if you've shopped for homes, you get that feeling. I felt that with the home we're in now. And honestly, like I get a little bit emotional thinking that we're leaving our first home where like I had all our kids. But we are outgrowing it very quickly, and just seeing the boys like run like through the field and like in all the greenery that this new property has, like it makes so much sense that we need a bigger space. But it is very sad leaving our home, especially now that it's all cleaned up and looking nice. Like I'm re-falling in love with it again. So Travis and I, like, first of all, spent all week cleaning the house, taking stuff out like to the dump, to the donations, to like our parents' house, just because there's like we can't show the house when it's so cluttered. Don't think I've been so exhausted in like a long time. And then of course with 3 young kids too. Today is Monday, the 2nd of June. So our house has been on the market for 3 days now, essentially. There is a showing tonight, and it's honestly really hard to keep your house in showing condition with 3 little kids. Like, we were supposed to have one this morning, a showing at 10, but that they were scheduled for the nighttime. And I was like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna clean up with the boys? Like, make sure it's like spotless, get them out of the house in time before 10, because usually the house looks like a little bit of a mess after I drop them off at daycare, because I don't immediately clean up after them. Usually get to daycare around 10. So I was nervous and so thankful they rescheduled. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Cheese. Cheese. It is the long weekend. All right, it is the August long weekend. We are getting ready to do one of our bigger moves of stuff to Travis's dad's house. I don't know why my face is so swollen today, but we have our sunroom kind of filled up right now with some stuff. Travis already brought over, sorry, the light. Travis has already brought over 1 truckload of stuff. He's bringing back a trailer from his dad to fill up with this stuff, and then I'm also going to drive a load with the boys there. The house doesn't look much emptier, so it's a little bit concerning. But we do have like a 26. We do have a 26 and a half we do have a 26-foot truck that we rented the Sunday before our closing date, so I'm really hoping that fits everything. What? So we do have a 26-foot truck rented for the Sunday before we get the keys to move everything to his dad's house. So I'm hoping that will be enough. And we'll probably do another big load next week as well.